Hello and welcome to Fluent English. I'm Joseph with you. ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല, ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടോ, ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലേ എന്ന് അർത്ഥം വരുന്ന present perfect നമുക്കിപ്പോൾ പറഞ്ഞു പഠിക്കാം. I will ask you a few questions and you please answer me looking at the screen. Then it will be your turn to ask questions and I will give you answers. So let's begin. Have you seen? Haven't you seen? What have you done? Where have you been? Who have you met? How have you been? How many have you brought? Why haven't you responded? Now it's your turn to ask questions. Yes, I have. No, I haven't. I have done nothing. I have been to the market. I have met my friends. I have been okay. I have brought many. I haven't had enough time. Thank you.